Mihango ya kwandikithia andu rungu rwa mubango wa NIMS ni igerire thiku ya gatatu guku thirikari kwetukira mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugitiri wa thiini Karanja Kivisho ikihithura ati gukinyaniria na riu makiria ma andu 150 nio marikitie kwiyandikithia thutha wa mathina manini maria maragomeire mutatara uyu kuninwo. Kivisho ni ugite na beno ni ambirie kwabatira na gikiro kinene makiria thutha wa macini ici gukinyira kambe nyingi cia macivo gukira muthenya wa ira. Na ona thengia wa wandikithio uyu gukorwo taruguritio kaunti-ini cia Kisumu, Lamu, Tana River na Kwale nginyagia umuthi aikariri giti a kamiti iria iratongoria wiyandikithio uyu gitongorio ni Karanja Kivisho na murunae wa ministry ya ukinyaniria Jerome Ochieng ni riria Kenya ugitiri wa maundu mao mahitho maria maraheana makimoria metikire kwiyumiria kwa wingi kwiyandikithia.
It's very difficult for anybody to access, but they'll continue attempting, just like they do attempt in the US. They'll attempt everywhere to hack, because evil people will never end in this world. They'll continue trying. Our work is to ensure that for the ones who are internal, we are protected, we have laws that protect us, and the ones who are external, we apply technology to block.
The database is resident within this country, and we have actually even put up multiple databases for the purposes of security with the proper redundancy to ensure that our information is secure, and we really have so many what we call technology backups.
Maya mahanikite riri na kio ikundi gia kuruira ihoto cia umundu guku bururi-ini kiuritie thirikari kurugamia wandikithio uyu kuri ya Kenya amu nikiamukirite riboti cia thirikari kwagarara ihoto cia Kenya ona thengia wa itua ria igoti.
We believe that the government should suspend NIMS and go back to the withdrawing board to deliver an identity management system that is safe and secure, that respects the rights to privacy and liberty.
Ihinda-ini uri mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta hindi ya ndumiriri yake kuri bururi ni ahinyiriirie bata wa Kenya kwiyandikithia mutaratara-ini uyu akiuga uri huthikaga haha kwa haha na namberie kauma na ndari ya Kenya muthia-ini wa mwaka uyu.
Together with the National Integrated Identity Management System, commonly known as NIMS, will ensure that all persons resident in Kenya will be enumerated in order to provide accurate data that is required for proper planning at all levels of government. Additionally, it is expected that when fully implemented, a comprehensive one-stop shop for all population and national identity records will be in place.
Ona kuri uguo mbunge ya bururi ni hinyiririo kwihika kwihitukia mutaratara uria uri mbunge-ini wa kugitira ndeto iria Kenya maraheana makiyandikithia gutuika watho. Muthenya wa gatatu na thirikari ni onanitie mwihoko wa Kenya guthie na mbere na kwiyandikithia na huduma namba ona thengia wa ikundi cia kurira ihoto cia umundu kuria thirikari irugamie mutaratara uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Kamau wa Mwangi.